pair of glasses there or something. Is that's Sigu's exciting image. Michael, I'm surprised you haven't set up your gravatar with a nice capybara image. And we're live. It is the Beck Scrum. We have Federico, we have Michael, we have Sigu and myself. Sigu, how are things going with you? I guess we're not getting any audio from Sigu at the moment. Do feel free to tell us how you're doing in the chat, Sigu, if you're able, or even in the Slack. Let's go on to Michael. Hey, Michael, how are things going with you?
Oh, yeah.
No, here's Sigu. Right, sorry, Michael, hold on. Go back to Sigu.
Okay.
Hey, Sigu.
Sorry, Michael. Hey. So I was not able to achieve much, but I've been following along. For the past 1 hour, I've been watching Michael and Federico through YouTube.
Right.
Watching from afar their struggles that they are going through, trying to set up Elixir and Alang.
Yes.
On the C9, yes, and
yes.
they made some success.
Yeah,
that's all for me today. Otherwise, I've been working on some other work things.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Good stuff. Are you going to be around tomorrow for the local support meeting?
Tomorrow, I might be going back to the immigration offices. So. Yeah.
All right.
It's a 50-50. Yeah.
We'll see how it goes. All right.
Yeah.
Good show. Yeah, let's go on to, thanks, Digger. Let's go on to Michael.
Hi, so we were trying to get us back to how we were at the mob.
Right.
Since I thrashed the machine, C9 instance, and now we're close, but for some reason, when we run Phantom.js on port 8082, and then run mixed test, which invokes Hound or whatever, it's getting a 503 service unavailable.
Okay.
And it's not clear why.
Interesting.
That was at the end. Do you know anything about that or no?
Conceivably. Right, and so that's interesting. Yeah, I guess, right. I was wondering if you were still struggling on the.
No, we fixed that.
No, right. So you got back to a box where we were, and you've got. It sounds a little bit further than what we had on the on the Elixir mob. So that's good.
It's different error.
Different. Yeah.
Different. I think it's a 503, which is. And it was actually before we changed the port and everything, so it might be something. I don't know.
Okay. Anything else blocking you or to report?
No.
Nope. All right, let's check in with Federico. Anything to report other than what Michael's already reported?
Well, I mean, I was just going to repeat everything Michael and Sigu said, so no.
Oh, okay, all right then. I mean, you are sharing your screen, and we can see the specific status code 503 for post request to Phoenix Inside Out Tanso users. I guess, like, that's interesting because I thought you created a new workspace.
We did. So we created Mastering Phoenix Framework.
But you're getting a post request there to Phoenix Inside Out Tansaku. And if you've created a new one called Mastering Phoenix Framework.
That's probably it.
Yeah. So what happened is Michael took the liberty to clone to back up the repo, the project.
Yeah.
And then we cloned it onto here, but it had some specific information about Phoenix Inside Out. Yeah.
So where was that at?
So that was in the one that you pointed out to me. I think it's like the config.exs in the config directory where you've got the file visible there. You double click there.
Right. Here
there.
So this one would be.
Yeah.
Mastering Phoenix or whatever. Yeah. That might solve the problem.
All right. Well, I'll leave you working on the background. We've had Praveen join us. I'll just check in with Praveen. Praveen, how are things going with you?
Hello, Sam. So I have updated the PR with the fix. Waiting for your review.
Oh, wonderful. Excellent.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Presumably that's on website 1 and related to this is the 500 server error, is it?
Yes. Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. Yes, I see the build's failing at the moment. I'll have a look at that. Anything else to report? Anything else blocking you?
No.
We fixed it.
Apart from that, no.
All right, thanks, Praveen. Okay.
We actually got the error that we wanted at the end of the mob. And all we did was we used the latest Phantom JS from Node. We installed it globally from npm.
Right.
Rather than from Ubuntu.
Okay.
Because the version's old in Ubuntu.
Right. There we go.
So your suspicions were correct.
Good to know. Good to know. Excellent. Well done getting that sorted out. That will be very, very appreciated by everybody next week, I'm sure. Excellent.
Right. So let me just quickly highlight. This is the command that we used.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It'd be good to get. I mean, you had, as I said, those commands last week as well, Federico. Might be even good to blog about this or get it written up.
Well, yeah. I mean, we have the blog ready to go, right? I mean, it's thanks to Sigu, we were able to purge Erlang. We were kind of going in the wrong direction. We installed Erlang first, and then Elixir.
Yeah. I wasn't saying you need the blog. I'm saying it like we could blog about these, like, because that blog doesn't mention Hound at all, does it? I was saying like it might be nice to have a microblog in which we mention both that npm install special stuff that you did last week and this latest thing that you've done. I mean, we've got the stuff in Slack and we've got a permanent history in Slack. I was just thinking it's like, a good topic for a blog or microblog for ourselves.
Right.
Possibly. Federico, either way. Anything else on your mind? Anything else blocking you on any other part? Or I guess this has been blotting out the sun for most of the day.
Yeah. I mean, luckily, just real quickly, we got pretty far thanks to the mob and all our collective mob troubleshooting.
Mob rule.
Yeah, the mob rule. It was good to go through. We sort of didn't anticipate these further C9 complications with Phantom and everything, but I think we got it working. I don't really have anything else now.
All right, good show. Praveen, did you have anything else besides that? I know you were chatting with Paul about getting a pairing session set up. I guess we may have lost audio from Praveen. And anyway, I don't know. I'm sure if there's anything else important, Praveen will let us know. Obviously, it'd be great if Paul and Praveen can get together and pair, but not a problem if they can't. Updates from me. Yeah, we did the mob. I have I'm continuing to work on private projects dealing with acceptance tests for Electron using the Spectron framework, and having all sorts of fun with node promises and so on and so forth. And I guess we've also got an issue with one member of the community who's kind of being a bit aggressive, and I need to check whether they're I don't know. We're going to have to address that in the background. I think it definitely it re-incentivizes me to make sure that we get our code of conduct displayed more prominently. I mean, at least at the moment, we've got all the individual what are they called projects with their code of conducts, and I guess we'll keep on involved. Anyway, discussions about that in the AV Community Talk channel. That's that. We've got tomorrow. We've got the marketing meeting. I'm going to be meeting this person that was originally contacted us through the I forgot what it's called now. The thing that we added for allow everyone to chat to our to us. That's Anthony Powell. So that's a new paid project potentially. And I guess that's me. I'm sure there's other things going on, but nothing I need to share. We've had another person join. Greetings. Hello. Do say hello if you want. We're pretty much coming up to the end of our Scrum. So please.
It's actually Sess who's joined us. I don't know.
Hey Sess. Good to see you.
Having connection issues.
Sure.
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh, hey Sess.
Yeah.
Hi. I missed you guys.
Great to have you back.
Same here.
Yeah. How are things going? Anything to report? Anything we can help you with?
Not really.
Okay, not to worry. We'll maybe see you in the local support meeting tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess I will. Particularly if Sigurd can't stop by, I will jump in myself. Well, it's great to see so many of you. Yeah, well, I'm particularly pleased to see Federico and Michael get that thing fixed up there. I guess that's our Scrum. Was anybody else looking to do pairing, needing to find a pair partner? If not, that's Wednesday. I'll catch you guys on the Scrum train to YouTube Jitsi Land tomorrow.
Maybe Seth had something to say today.
Oh yeah, go on, Seth.
No, not really. But I'm looking for the latest application.YAML file. The latest changes. I'm still getting errors on the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. I will. I think we have a thing. This is for the local support projects. I think we have a. Yeah. I will find that for you now and get it into Slack for you.
Okay. Thank you.
If that's all right, you're most welcome. Okay. All right. Oh, I think that's our Scrum. So great to see everybody. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.